Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting by getting essentials in place. This saves time. First, confirm your iPhone model and that iOS is up to date, then sign into your Apple ID and enable iCloud and Wallet. Next, set up Face ID or Touch ID so transactions authorize quickly. Now open Wallet, tap the plus, and scan your card or enter details manually. Once you add the card, complete the bank's verification step. That step authorizes Apple Pay and prevents later declines. Once the card is added, you move into verification and configuration. You'll receive a code by SMS, email, or through your bank's app. Enter it to activate the card. That's why banks sometimes delay approval. After verification, choose your default card and wallet so purchases pick the right payment automatically, and enable Express Transit for contactless transit where supported. Also verify billing address and contact info in wallet. Mismatched details can cause declines. If you use you're at the finish line. Test Apple Pay with a small tap payment or an Apple Pay cash transfer to confirm everything works. If the tap fails, restart your iPhone and make sure NFC is functioning. Then check for an iOS update and review Apple's system status for outages. If problems persist, remove the card from wallet and re-add it. This resolves many glitches. As a key troubleshooting tip, call your card issuer to confirm there are no holds or security blocks on your account, because banks often block new tokens unexpectedly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.